What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is actually the next day, and I'm the same place that I was in the last video. And reason being, I got some more deliveries today, which is the next day again. So we're gonna unbox these, and then we're gonna take them to the garage, drop them off to the garage, so that the guys can get them to put on the car. And first box, well, first box, first box, guys. I got the wrap. Got the wrap for it, and I didn't buy much because the car is not much. It's a very tiny car, so I know that don't need a lot of wrap on it. So I'm gonna link up Rap J. Rap J is gonna sort that out, and we're gonna do a review to you. Man, all right. So what's this? All right, this looks like. There you go. There you go. AC sealant. We're gonna put this in the car. We need to put this in the car right now. When I finish opening these other boxes, I'm gonna put it in the car. Just give me 1 second. Let me finish opening these boxes. What is this? Oh, this is not car related, but it's engine related. This is for the generator. It's a stabilized voltage stabilizer, I think. Regulator, voltage regulator, which regulates the voltage to keep the voltage stable. So needed this in the hurricane. My generator was working, but you can see the current was flickering a little bit, so it needed that. These boxes, I opened them just to look. Electric fans, so 6-inch fans. So this is like a generic brand. It's pretty cool. Let me compare it with the actual Mishimoto. You guys can tell me, not because it's a big brand, that doesn't mean it has to go in the car. You know what I mean? Which side do you want more? Not because it's a big brand, you know? Whichever one we think fits best, that's what we're going to use. But Mishimoto should be, well, Mishimoto bigger, actually bigger. It's actually bigger. Open it. So, if we don't use, whichever one we don't use, I might cancel you guys it. Mishimoto bigger, so we might end up using the Mishimoto. So these, I like how this fit. This is pretty cool. Oh no, heavier, do you know? This one is heavier than this. Like this one. The Mishimoto is a lower profile fitting fan. Yeah, but we'll let the garage decide which one we're going to use on the car. Let's put these back. And there's another Mishimoto fan, and there's another one of this, regular brand. So yeah, that is that. We're gonna put the AC gas in the car now. I think the fuel pressure regulator is at the other shipping company, so we need to get that sorted out. All right, guys. So got my AC refill thingy. It's supposed to seal it. It actually came with this. Actually came with this. Okay. And I have one and I have my own, but I wonder if I should use this or use my own. This is small, man. This is just a treatment. Man. So now I'm seeing this, guys. Not included, but required. Recharge with certified AC. So we need this, the actual refrigerant. So this is only the seal. All right. Womp, womp, womp. Let's put this up. Let's put this back up and get the actual. I'm gonna order the actual refrigerant. So that's another weight again. OMG. But nonetheless, we're gonna drop off all these parts to the garage. We might not be able to drive this because of the heat, but no worries. Leave that right there, and we'll get the other thing. Alright, so as usual, first thing I see it with the bumper on it. Nice. Nice. Yo, more I look on that thing if you see if I right. The this if I right one to go in the wastegate. Alright guys, this car is now up on the lift. We switch places, trading places. Smart car is pretty much done, so it's on the ground. On the ground, on the floor. The thing the one, the black one if you try it now, man.
Another one,
Eh? No man, that one man, the black one. Yeah man, smart car on the ground. Yeah, more I do from the general.
So far, so.
So far, I right thing.
Yeah,
You're right.
right,
You're
right,
right. You're right. Alright, we just want to make sure it's we want to make sure I right thing, my bro, you know?
Get the new colors, them.
Yeah.
Like the color.
You like the color?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Christmas are coming up.
Yeah, so we just do what changes.
Yeah.
Fresh set of colors for the baby.
Fit tight.
Perfect.
Good. So the bracket now, I just have to get the bracket to hold them up. And that would be nice. So we're going to put it on the plate as well, the black off plate. Just so you guys see how it works. So yeah, man. Yeah, that's a bracket you want now.
Yeah, so guess me can build a bracket tomorrow. And everything else should be okay. Get the electrician to come connect the fans and should be alright.
Yeah man. That more want to see. So the fan them pan it. Alright guys, so what we realize is that these slightly different. If you notice the bolt is up here, up, and this one is pointing down. So it look different, not going bolt. Well, maybe the two front bolt can bolt up, you know.
But the back one now
But
can.
the back one now go bolt up.
Just slightly off.
Yeah, so, but I mean, two bolt alone can hold it.
Yeah, 2 bolt can hold it.
Two bolt can hold it.
Yeah, that's rest on back. If anything.
Yeah, just make that stay for now. Maybe our next day can. Man, upon the look at doors, that door where I drive, you know. Give me one start up on a new Kyle them.
Kyle.
Don't make it drive off it's standing.
No.
Make it drive off as I injury the pan, make it drive off it. Watch you one time. Yeah. Fresh car, them at work.
Yes, good.
Yeah, man. Fresh car, them at work. Quiet. Yeah, quiet, guys. When you guys see this in person and hear it, you're not gonna see how quiet it is. Sold fast already, you know?
Because it's cool, I know, so you don't know.
Yeah.
So I think it's time to warm up.
So guys, I know it might not seem like a big improvement or a big update, but for car people, you guys know that these steps are like some major steps or major hurdles. So we are headed in the right direction with this car, and hopefully, hopefully, you know, we can get that car back up and running. Everything is flowing back into the country now, so we can finalize that car. Damage is actually not in the country, that's why you don't see him in this video. So when he gets back, you know, we will be back on that car 100%. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. In the next video, I guess we'll go back to the garage and see the installation of the fans and, you know, everything else. That we're going to try and make that plate work. We're going to try and make the distributor cap work on the car as well. So hopefully by then I will also have the fuel pressure regulator, because I think once we get that, the car is ready to tune. What else would be holding us back? Nothing. The car is ready.